Opo.
Diyan, bebe, malapit na yung school ni Ate Sophie. At saka ni Ate Kukay. At saka ni Ate Chikay. Diyan na, bebe, malapit na yung kanilang school. Baby ko, you sit down properly. Welcome to Southwoods.
Southwoods.
Yeah, this is Southwoods.
We're almost there.
Yeah, we are almost there. Southwoods City. Diyan yung school ni Ate Sophie.
I want longer. 60 minutes.
Ayun o. School ni Ate Sophie o. Diyan, San Agustin.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
Auntie
that's
Sophie's.
McDo.
That's Auntie Sophie's school called McDo. And that's Poops. And that's Poops in Poops school.
Ang dami ng buildings, bebe. Ang dami ng establishments.
Yeah, I saw the building.
Dati, laging sarado to kasi laging nahuhold up.
Poops.
Dahil madilim, walang ibang katao-tao. And we're here in Rosario.
My record.
We are now here in Rosario. Ayan o, San Pedro, Rosario. Ayan o, San Pedro, Rosario.